All right, day 14 of trading my live account, trying to turn $200 into $2,000. Here's how it went down. All right, so New York session opens here. Nice big strong push up off of our point of control here, up above value area high on the day. You can see some consolidation above the value area high here while we were waiting for data to come out. We did have a decent push back down below point of control. This is actually what I was looking for. I was looking to take a short somewhere off of value area high, back down to our value area low. We got a quick push down, didn't really allow for an entry there, so I waited again for all of this to play out. It did go right down to our value area low, where you can see we started to get some support there. Once we pushed back off of our value area low on the day, which was also our point of control on the weekly, I looked for a retrace to point of control, and here I was planning on taking a short here back down to value area low. So you can see where we pushed up and we tested point of control and VWAP here. We got rejected on the next candle here. Pretty decent push off of point of control, and then we started to get some volume in. Once we broke the previous candle, that's when I entered. That was my entry there. Stop loss went above point of control and VWAP. So I waited and waited and waited. We ended up consolidating for a little while. I can see that no matter how much sellers came in, you can see that we did have a decent amount of sellers coming in. Price was having a really hard time making it past this area here. Once we broke below the previous lows with this candle, I just quickly moved my stop loss to above that candle because my conviction for this trade kind of was decreasing as I can see that sellers were becoming weaker here, and then buyers stepped in. Right, the very next candle, buyers stepped in, ended up taking me out there for I think a $25 profit, but like I said, I'll take it. No one's ever blown an account by taking profits. So that was the trade, and as you can see, as it played out, it eventually would have taken me out anyway. So I'm glad that I was able to read what was happening in the market here. You can see where we were getting all of this support on the 15-minute chart was right around here, right? You can see all of that. So I just didn't really trust it anymore, and I was able to lock in profits before it would have taken me out. So good Friday, really good week for me this week. And if you guys are interested in seeing what I use for a platform and my journaling, again, join the free Discord. It's always free. All of my links are there with discount codes. Have a great weekend.